on part of the Chief Minister's office that has been released, saying that the decision to take as far as when the displaying of names is concerned, that has been done to maintain purity of religion, purity of faith. And amid this face-off that seems to be happening, as far as we have heard, when it comes to the opposition saying that they have been drawing parallels with apartheid in South Africa and with Nazi Germany. Let me go across Adib to Adib once again. What does this statement say, and what are the reasonings that has now been sorted when it comes to the implementation of this order, Adib?
Well, see, Amita, the instructions are clear that on the Kanwar Yatra Marg, all the shop eateries and the shop owners, they need to display the name of the owners and and that of the proprietors. Just to make some clarity on the Kanwar Yatra Marg, the state government has been saying that we are doing this just to maintain the law and order in the state. First, it was Muzaffarnagar police. They were stating that we are trying to maintain law and order in the district, but now the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath himself said that to maintain the law and order situation in the state, these kind of regulations are being implemented throughout the state, and if anyone found is selling halal certificate products, action will be taken against those people also. So Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and UP government is clear that those who have shops on the route of Kanwar Yatra Marg, they have to display the name of the owner and of the proprietor on their signboard.
All right, with this development now coming across, this is as far as the statement coming across saying that the decision that has been taken to maintain purity of religion, but also let's talk about how the opposition seems to be taking on the government, the Yogi Adityanath government. Samajwadi Party MP S.T. Hassan has now fired a fresh salvo at the Yogi Sarkar, saying when it comes to the Kanwar Yatra rule, saying that this rule is akin to giving a message that Muslims must be boycotted. He is calling for the revocation of this very order.
लेकिन इस तरह से एक मैसेज दिया जा रहा है कि ये हिंदू की दुकान है, ये मुसलमान की दुकान है, आप मुसलमान का बाइकाट करें, हिंदू की दुकान से काम करें। इसी तरह का नाजीज ने जर्मनी में भी करा था। हम हजारों साल से प्यार मोहब्बत से रहते आए, हिंदू मुसलमान एक दूसरे के यहाँ कारोबार भी करते हैं और एक दूसरे के यहाँ खाते पीते भी हैं। लेकिन ये कम्युनल सोच आखिर कब तक? आप इस तरह से करके दो कम्युनिटीज के अंदर फासले पैदा कर रहे हैं। मेरी डिमांड है प्रशासन से और अपने शासन से कि ऐसे फरमानों को फौरन निरस्त किया जाए।
So that is an appeal coming on the opposition side from the Samajwadi Party, asking to withdraw this order. However, when it comes to the UP government side, saying that it will be implemented across the Kanwar Yatra route, all across when it comes to the state of Uttar Pradesh. Multiple reactions coming in. We will be back after a short break.